Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most refined compact luxury SUVs on the market, the 2026 Lexus NX. Sleek, sophisticated, and now smarter than ever, this latest iteration of Lexus's best-selling SUV blends futuristic design with elevated performance, all while keeping that signature Lexus luxury feel. So, is the 2026 NX just a minor facelift or a true evolution? Stick around, because we're going to cover everything from design to tech, performance to pricing, and help you decide if this is the right SUV for you. From the outside, the 2026 Lexus NX immediately grabs attention. It's not a radical departure from the outgoing model, but Lexus has sharpened the design even further. The spindle grille is more integrated, the LED headlights are slimmer, and the lines across the side are more sculpted, giving it a more athletic, upscale profile. The overall design still screams Lexus, but it now feels even more futuristic. This isn't just a luxury SUV, it's a statement on wheels. At the back, you'll notice redesigned taillights with a continuous light bar, adding to the sleekness and nighttime presence. And for 2026, Lexus is offering new color options, including a bold copper mist and a refined midnight emerald, both of which shimmer under sunlight. Wheel sizes range from 18 to 20 inches depending on trim, and every variant now comes with blacked-out accents for a sportier, more modern look. And the 2026 NX really starts to show off. Lexus has upgraded the cabin with even more premium materials. Soft touch surfaces, open-pore wood, aluminum accents, it all feels top-tier. The seats are redesigned for better ergonomics, with improved bolstering and ventilation. Even the rear seats get extra cushioning this year.